Thinking in English is a powerful way to improve your speaking skills. It helps you become fluent, confident, and natural when communicating. In this video, we will explore how thinking in English can help you and provide detailed steps to practice this skill effectively every day. Why thinking in English is important. When you think in English, you speak faster. Translating from your native language to English slows you down. Thinking directly in English saves time and helps you speak more quickly. Build your vocabulary. Thinking in English forces you to recall words and phrases you already know, helping you remember them better. Gain confidence. When you are used to thinking in English, you'll feel more comfortable speaking because you have already practiced mentally. Sound more natural. Thinking directly in English helps you form sentences that flow better and are closer to how native speakers talk. Steps to start thinking in English. If this idea is new to you, don't worry. Start with small, manageable steps. Here's how you can do it. 1. Start with simple words. Begin by thinking of everyday objects and actions in English. For example, when you see a chair, think chair. While drinking water, think drink, water, or glass. 2. Describe what you see. Take a moment to describe your surroundings in English. For example, the sun is shining. I see a big tree outside my window. There are books on my table. This simple exercise helps you associate English words with what you experience in your daily life. 3. Narrate your actions. As you go about your day, narrate your actions in your mind in English. For instance, when you wake up, think, I am getting out of bed. While cooking, think, I am chopping vegetables. 4. Keep a journal in English. Write a few sentences or paragraphs about your day in English. For example, today I went to the park. It was sunny and I enjoyed walking. I am learning to think in English. It is fun and helpful. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and practice using new words. 5. Plan your day in English. Think about your plans for the day in English. For example, I will wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I need to buy groceries, clean the house, and call my friend. 6. Use English during conversations. When speaking in your native language, try to think of how you would say the same thing in English. For example, if you are telling a story, mentally translate key sentences into English. Practice thinking in English daily. To make thinking in English a habit, practice consistently. Here are some ways to integrate this into your daily routine. Label things around you. Put sticky notes with English words on objects in your home. For example, label your refrigerator with fridge. Put a note saying mirror on your mirror. This will help you associate English words with the items you use every day. 2. Learn and use new words. Each day, learn 3 to 5 new words. Use them while thinking in English. For example, if you learn the word excited, think, I am excited about the weekend. If you learn beautiful, think, the sunset is beautiful. 3. Watch and listen in English. Watch movies, TV shows, or listen to songs and podcasts in English. Try to think about what you hear in English. For instance, if you watch a cooking show, think, the chef is slicing vegetables. If you listen to a song, try to understand the meaning of the lyrics. 4. Talk to yourself. Practice thinking out loud in English. For example, while cooking, say, I need to add salt to the soup. Before leaving the house, say, I am taking my keys and wallet. Talking to yourself might feel strange at first, but it's a great way to practice. 5. Use technology. There are many apps designed to help you practice English. For example, apps like Duolingo, Memrise, and Babbel can help you learn vocabulary and phrases. Use voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant in English to practice asking questions. Overcome common challenges. 1. Forgetting words. If you forget a word, don't stop. Use other words or describe it. For example, if you forget spoon, think, the thing I use to eat soup. 2. Feeling nervous. It's normal to feel nervous when you start. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Keep practicing, and you will improve. 3. Finding it difficult. If thinking in English feels hard, start small. Use single words or short sentences, then build up to longer thoughts over time. Examples of thinking in English. Example 1, daily routine. Think about your day in English. For example, I woke up early today. I had tea and toast for breakfast. Then I went to work. Example 2, planning. Plan your activities in English. For example, tomorrow I will clean my house. I also need to finish my homework and call my mom. Example 3, watching videos. While watching a video, think in English. For example, the man is running. He is wearing a blue shirt. He looks happy. Example 4, shopping. When shopping, think in English. For example, I need to buy bread, milk, and eggs. Where can I find them? Benefits of thinking in English. When you practice thinking in English every day, you will see many benefits. Fluency. Your speaking will become faster and smoother because you are used to forming sentences in English. Better understanding. You will understand English better when you read, listen, or watch because you are already familiar with the language. Increased confidence. You will feel more confident because you have practiced mentally. Improved grammar. Thinking in English helps you naturally use correct grammar without focusing too much on rules. Final tips. Be patient. Learning to think in English takes time. Don't rush the process. Practice daily. The more you practice, the better you will get. Consistency is key. Make it fun. Enjoy the process. Use English songs, games, or movies to make learning enjoyable. Stay positive. Believe in yourself. Mistakes are part of learning, and each step brings you closer to fluency. By following these steps and practicing every day, you can train your mind to think in English. Over time, you will notice improvements in your speaking, listening, and overall communication skills. Keep going and enjoy your journey to becoming fluent in English.